Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming a usable backup. That protects your data if the recovery rewrites partitions. Create a bootable Windows 10 USB with the Media Creation tool on an 8 GB drive so you can boot recovery tools. Once done, write down or export your product key and user account info and disconnect extra drives to avoid accidental formatting. These steps reduce risk and speed the process, so you can proceed directly to repair utilities without interruptions or lost files. Boot from the USB, pick Repair Your Computer, then Troubleshoot. This gives access to repair utilities. Start with Startup Repair because it fixes common boot issues automatically. If Windows still fails, use System Restore to roll back to a good restore point. This preserves files while reverting system changes. If those fail, open Command Prompt and run bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild to repair boot records. These commands target corrupted boot configuration and often restore startup functionality. If repairs fail, use Reset This PC from Troubleshoot. Choose Keep My Files to preserve personal data or remove everything for a full wipe. This reinstalls Windows and resolves deep system corruption. If Reset cannot complete, perform a clean install from your USB and make sure you select the correct system partition, then reinstall drivers and updates. If problems persist, run chkdsk to check disk integrity and run vendor diagnostics on RAM and SSD/HDD. Hardware faults often mimic recovery failures, so test components before repeating software steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.